of you. So today we'll be dealing about cellular transport. And this is our essential question. How do I compare the mechanisms of active and passive transports? We have the following materials to use today. So we have the dialysis tubing. The dialysis tubing will be used to simulate the semi-permeable cell membrane. Remember that all cells have cell membrane. Just like all cells have ribosomes, all cells have cell membrane. Now, the dialysis tubing was soaked in water overnight so that it can loosen and so that we can open it easily. And we will see that later. This is called the beaker, and you already drew this from the board to your notebook. This is a 600 ml beaker with water. This is a jar that we'll be using to observe osmosis and diffusion. This is a funnel. A funnel will be used to facilitate the transfer of liquids. This is the Erlenmeyer flask. With this one, we will be observing diffusion. And this is the iodine. And we will use this iodine to test for the presence of starch. When this iodine is added to a substance that contains starch, it turns black. So, if the iodine turns black, starch is present in that substance. This is the spot plate. And this is used for testing small amount of unknown substances. And this is the container that we'll be using to test if a substance contains starch or not. And these are the materials that we will be using in the process. And I am your teacher. Okay? So, these are the things that you will be doing. So I need you to listen properly and know what should be done. Take a picture of each setup. Draw each setup in your notebook. There should only be one setup per page. You will be told what to draw. Okay? Observe and record your observations under each of your drawing. Remember, there are 4 setups. How would you do this in your notebook? So I took the liberty of giving you like examples. So here is the page of your notebook. So you will be writing the title on top of what the setup is all about. You will be drawing how the setup looks like. And then underneath, you will write down observations. And then you will write here whatever you've observed happening. It will take time for the observations because the process of active and passive transport takes time. And this is another drawing. This is the Erlenmeyer flask. And we'll be using this for diffusion. And then this is the spot plate. Okay? So, these are the things that we'll be doing today. Hopefully, you will know the procedure. Hopefully, you follow them properly. Thank you so much.